In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to automate document workflows for sales processes using the airSlate integration for NetSuite. Send packages of documents to customers to complete an e-sign, collect attachments that validate delivery, then automatically export every file and document to NetSuite. In our example, there are two participants involved in the delivery process. Sales manager, who needs to send a package of documents, including sales orders, proof of delivery, and more, to a customer and get them signed and stored back in NetSuite. Customer, who needs to confirm the purchase and delivery by reviewing and signing the required documents. The process starts in NetSuite, where there's information about the customers and their orders. Sales manager selects the customers and clicks the custom airSlate button to start a new workflow. The package of documents, pre-filled with data about the purchase, is automatically sent to the customer. Customer receives an email invitation to review and complete the documents. They click a link in the notification to review and e-sign each document. Once the sales order is signed, they attach a photo or PDF file to confirm delivery. Returning to NetSuite, we can see that all the documents have been automatically attached to the NetSuite record. Now, let's see how to set up this automated process in airSlate. This is often done by an admin or an operations team so that the sales manager can just run the workflow in one click. First, add every document and form required in the workflow. Customize them by adding fillable or signature fields, making them mandatory or optional, and more. Adding an attachment request to your workflow is necessary. Then set up steps for anyone who needs to complete or view the documents. Manage document recipients and assign fields or entire documents to them. Customize the notification and add conditions for when to send out the documents. Finally, add no-code bots that help you automate various actions in a document workflow. Bots can send reminders and notifications, pre-fill documents, transfer data, update records in CRMs, and much more. The last thing to do is to create a custom button that sends documents for eSignature directly from NetSuite. To do this, navigate to the admin tools in your NetSuite account, add a button label and description, and set up the actions you want to occur when the button is clicked. Then, select where in NetSuite you want the button to be available, and you're all set. The airSlate integration for NetSuite's ecosystem products simplifies work. Generate data-driven documents, send them for eSignature in a role-based order, and use them to create or update NetSuite records all in one click.